Have you ever pondered the mysteries of the sweet substance we know as sucrose? It's more than just a spoonful of sugar in your morning cup of tea, and today we're going to uncover the secrets it holds. Start by considering what you already know about sucrose. It's a disaccharide, a type of carbohydrate, and it's abundant in nature, especially in sugarcane and sugar beet. But do you know what happens when it reacts with sulfuric acid? This experiment will reveal the fascinating chemical reaction that occurs, and it all begins with a simple step. Take a sugar cube, pure sucrose, and place it in a petri dish. The sugar cube represents the substance we're studying, sucrose. The second step introduces the sulfuric acid. Pour the acid gently over the sugar cube. Sulfuric acid, a strong acid, acts as a dehydrating agent, removing water from the sucrose. Now observe carefully. The reaction doesn't happen instantly. It takes a few minutes for the magic to start. But why? The reason lies in the nature of the substances involved. Sucrose, despite being a solid, has a crystalline structure that allows the sulfuric acid to penetrate and interact with it. As the sulfuric acid absorbs water from the sucrose, it begins to heat up. This is an exothermic reaction, meaning it releases heat. But don't touch the petri dish. It will get very hot, and safety always comes first in any experiment. The heat causes the sucrose to break down into its component parts, fructose and glucose. But it's not over yet. The high temperature further breaks down these simple sugars, leaving behind a mass of carbon and steam. By the end of the reaction, the sugar cube will have transformed into a tower of black carbon. Mesmerizing, isn't it? That's the power of chemistry, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. In summary, the experiment demonstrates a fascinating chemical reaction where sulfuric acid dehydrates a sugar cube, releasing heat, breaking down the sugar into its components, and eventually leaving a mass of black carbon. This experiment is a clear example of how chemistry is woven into the fabric of everyday life. From the sugar in your tea to the carbon that remains after this reaction, science is always at work, transforming and revealing the hidden properties of the world around us. So the next time you stir a spoonful of sugar into your cup, spare a thought for the amazing chemistry that makes it all possible. And remember, in the world of science, even the smallest sugar cube holds a universe of possibilities.